Hello, dear students. How are you? Hope you're doing well. Today we continue talking about skills videos, and today we talk about factorizing the difference of two squares. Mister, what do you mean by difference of two squares? As you can see here in this example, this is a perfect square. This number is a perfect square. That means you can find its root. So what is the root of x squared? Yeah, it's x. And you can find the root of the 4, right? Which is 2. And the minus between them, that's why we say difference of two squares. Okay, let's go to the next point. How can you factorize it? We can simply factorize it using this way. Two brackets. The first one is positive and the other is negative. Of course, not necessary. You can make it negative and positive. But the point is you are going to write the x here and the x there, this x, and the 2 the same, and we are done. Mister, it's magic. It's very simple. It's very simple. Again, find the square root of any of both of them here, x and here 2. Write it twice, x, 2, 2, and we are done. But remember, one of them is one of the terms or one of the factors is positive and the other is negative. Now, let's try it again here. Can you help? Yes. Good. The root of 25 is 5, and the square root of a square is a. So, let's make it again, one of them positive and the other is negative. Now 5, a, and we done. We are done here. Yeah, it's that simple. Now it's your turn. Stop the video and try to factorize this one. Check the answer, like we do every time, positive and negative. But the difference here, you are going to say, Mister, it's 16x squared. Yeah, so the square root of this one is 4x, right? 16, its square root is 4, and the x squared is x. What about the 9? Of course, it's logic, it's very simple, it's a 3. Now we write here 4x and 4x, 3 and 3. Yeah, very simple. Let's try another one. Here, let's do the same. Yeah, what is the root of this one? Square root of 49 is 7, and the square root of y squared is y. And the 1, yeah, the most difficult question in the world. It's 1. Now we make two brackets, one of them positive and the other is negative. 49, we said 7y and 7y, and 1 and 1. Okay, next. Don't forget the positive and negative. Negative, positive, doesn't matter. It's x squared, so we write x and x. 4, it's 2y and 2y. Again, can you do it here? Who can? Good. Well done. Now positive, negative. 225. You can use a calculator to find the square root if you don't remember it. It's 15, of course. Yes, 15y and x. So we write it here, 15y, first term, x and x. Mister, it's very simple. Now let's do the same here. What if that was x power 4? How can you solve it? How can you? Okay, it's 49x squared, so it's 7x. And 36, its square root is 6. And y4, its square root is the half of the y4, which is y2. Half of the 4, which is 2. Good. Now we write 7x and 7x. Y square, we said 6y square and 6y square, positive and negative. Here, as usual, positive, negative. 25 is 5, and y, 5, y. 36 is 6x and 6x. Here, positive, negative. 9 is 3 and 3, y and y. Hope you understand this skill and wait the next videos to see more skills. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you very much and see you next time.